For over 60 years, head and neck injury transport has relied on outdated, ineffective tools, such as duct tape, foam blocks, and guesswork. This archaic approach isn't just ineffective, it's dangerous.
Up to 25% of patients experience secondary injuries during transport due to mishandling or inadequate equipment. Emergency medicine has advanced. Our approach to head and neck stabilization should too. Hi, I'm Mary Squire.
And I'm Alyssa Theroux. We are the co-founders of HeadStrait Labs, where we are revolutionizing how head and neck injuries are handled in emergency care.
We were fortunate to cross paths during our biomedical engineering graduate program at Carnegie Mellon University, where we discovered our aligned interests and refined our complementary skill sets. I have always been driven by the challenge of solving complex problems, so my background in user-centered medical device design, rapid prototyping, and navigating intricate product specifications has helped shape our approach to designing this technically robust solution.
And my experience in technical program management, quality engineering, and collaborating with clinical teams ensures our solution is not just innovative, but also practical, scalable, and positioned for adoption. By bridging technology development and commercialization, I help our solution align with market needs and drive real patient impact.
Our device, the EVAC 1 with Smart Motion technology, is an advanced head and neck stabilization splint that integrates continuous motion tracking and analytics. EVAC 1's universal fit splint ensures secure immobilization on patients of all sizes. Advanced Smart Motion sensors provide real-time motion alerts to EMTs on patient alignment, and innovative software delivers post-event analysis to improve EMT training. The EVAC 1 with Smart Motion allows full airway access and is completely disposable for seamless integration into emergency workflows.
At HeadStrait Labs, we are protecting the 12 million patients per year who suffer head and neck injuries from the risk of additional harm due to turbulent transport and inadequate solutions. By combining a novel approach to stabilization with real-time monitoring and analytics, we are reducing patient suffering and the cost of care while empowering first responders with actionable insights. Our compact disposable design is ideal for both civilian and military markets, setting a new standard in trauma care and extrication.
We're passionate about creating solutions that make a real difference, not just for patients, but for the first responders and medical teams working to save lives every day.
Redefining emergency care starts today. Visit HeadStraightLabs.com to schedule a demo or see how the EVAC 1 can support your team. Because safer, smarter transport begins with HeadStrait Labs.